Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are given a rhombus ABCD. Okay, the length is given, so to make it easier for us, well, I'm going to just indicate them on the diagram itself. So AC, and do take note that because this is a rhombus, the diagonals do bisect each other, which means that I will have 12 here and 12 here. They add up to 24. And for this BD is 10, which means that this will be 5 and this will be 5. And because again it is a rhombus, this means that the diagonals actually are perpendicular to one another as well. And with all that being said, state the size of AED, which happens to be this angle. And I just perfectly shown you that it is 90 degrees. So angle AED is equals to 90 degree. Why? These are diagonals of a rhombus. Next, find the area of this ABCD. Now for part B, to find the area of the rhombus ABCD, I hope you can see that it is made up of two equal right angle or congruent triangles where the height is 5 and the base is 12 plus 12, 24. So what this means that is that for part B, right, we could simply, to find the area of ABCD, the whole area, we could simply have half times base 24. 12 plus 12 is 24, or the whole AC, multiplied by the height 5. And this is for one triangle. If I want to find another one that is equally, there are two of them, I multiply by 2. And this will give me a value of 120 cm squared. And for the last question, last part, where now we are tasked to find the height from B to AD. What does it mean? So I'm going to, for part C, redraw this particular triangle rhombus. And I have 13 here. And they want us to find this height from B to AD, which means that from B to AD, height, if this is going to be my height, please remember that area of a parallelogram, rhombus is a special type of parallelogram. Base times height will be equals to area. And we have the area here, 120 cm squared. And therefore, I could simply write down the height. So my height multiplied by the base, 13. This is my base. It will be equals to my area, 120. So I could find this height pretty easily. I simply divide by 13 on both sides to give me a value of 9.2308 to 5 significant figure, followed by 9.23 cm 3SF. Okay, and with that we have come to the end of this particular question. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.